The second part of the once extensive meter gauge line in southeastern France is known, with a strong element of Gallic understatement, as the Velay Express. The blue dot on the map marks its general position. More accurately, the location is near the 11 o'clock mark on the clock face, whereas the railway, the Vivarais we travelled on in the previous video, was at the 4 o'clock mark. The journey began at Racoules and ran for 27 kilometres to Saint-Angrève. The locomotive hauling the train was an unusual one. It's an industrial 080 tank built by Corpey-Louvet and had worked at various French locations but ended up in Jersey in 1942. The locomotive we had expected was an 04040 Mallet number 101, identical to number 104 we had seen at La Mastre Works the previous day. This line climbs higher than any other French railway, and departing Racoules at 2,834 feet, the weather was damp and cool. First, the line is a switchback of gradients at about 1 in 36. All the stations had been made secure, but none had been put into general use. The landscape was a mixture of coniferous woodlands and pasture land, and the general feeling was one of emptiness and poverty. This station had the typically tired appearance of a rural French station. After the war, the locomotive left Jersey and was plinth'd on a French motorway rest area until 2002, when it was entrusted to the VFS, an organisation that preserved railway items from secondary railways. Number 22 was returned to service in 2011. Although we had a charter train, there were no run-pasts on the outward journey. The restart would have made a good place for videos.
Ladies and gentlemen, during in the city of Locomotive, during the World War II, some Jewish men and women was hidden in the different family, different summer for protection from the barbarian Nazis. J'ai mis de la graisse, j'ai mis de l'huile.
Velay Express turned out to be rather uninspiring. An industrial loco not well suited for the job it had to do, a rather drab landscape, and an engine crew not too interested in putting on a special performance for a group of railway enthusiasts.